So this is my constant drip overflow from my quarantine tank. These little guys to come out a little bit. And that's the drip. It's a little high right now. The ammonia's kind of too high. But I just drilled a bulkhead and it overflows through the bulkhead and out. And I just hooked up a garden hose because it was a lot cheaper to run a garden hose all the way down here than it was to buy clear hose. And it just drains into my sump and then goes outside. And then I just have the 25 psi regulator with the 1/4 inch airline tubing on there. And then it just runs all the way back into the plastic tub. And there's 3 more in here. They're eventually going out in the pond, which is about 6,500 gallons. But I just moved into this house, so it's not finished yet. But it is a lot cleaner of an overflow than having a bunch of pipes sticking in and siphon feed and everything else.